Let's explore how to easily install an OKR template in just a few steps. Follow along. Step 1. Navigate to the team where you want to install the OKR template. Step 2. In the toolbar, locate the Add Objective drop-down menu and select Use Template. This will open up a list of available templates for you to choose from. Step 3. Browse through the templates and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Install Template and confirm the action. And just like that, the template is successfully installed. But wait, we've made it even easier for you to find the perfect template. Our platform offers 2 additional features. 1. Search bar. Use the search bar to enter specific keywords related to the template you're looking for. This allows you to quickly find relevant templates based on your search terms. 2. Filter by category and tag. Our templates are neatly categorized and tagged for easy navigation. Simply select your desired category and then choose a tag from the list. This will display all the templates that are related to the selected tag, helping you find precisely what you need. With these additional features, you can effortlessly search, filter, and discover the ideal OKR template that perfectly aligns with your team's objectives.